Okay, here's another video. It's well, it's early Tuesday morning now. It's a little after midnight. Here's Ringo. Hey, Ringo. There's Lucy. Rocky's over there. And here's Hissy. 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 She will not look at me. Hissy. Oh, there we go. Hi, Hissy. Hi. And I've got a few treats here, so let's see. Come on, guys. My treats? Want some treats? Hi, Luce. Hey, Lucy. Hi. Hi, Lucy. Gonna talk to me? Lucy? Hi, Luce. Lucy. My treats? Hissy, want some treats? Want some treats? Okay, here we go. Let me throw them down here for them. There you go, guys. There you go. Have some treats. Go on. Go on. These are just Temptations. Oh, the cats love these things. And I've even taken some outside for Buster. He loves them too. And I need to take stock in the company because I'm always buying these things. I looked out my back window tonight on the deck, and there was a visitor out there in the cat house, and it was a big fat old possum. I didn't have my phone with me, so I couldn't get a picture of it, but there was a big fat possum, and he was I think he just got through eating some cat food, and he was leaving, but I couldn't believe how big it was. So I guess I am also feeding a possum out there, and hopefully, Buster doesn't tangle with him. I don't really know how that works with cats and possums. I don't know, but Buster wasn't out there, so it was just the possum. And I turned the light on, and he slowly left. He was just so big. But anyway, so here's a little video tonight. Hissy, hey Hiss, Hissy. All right, take care, folks. Until the next video. Ringo. Ringo. Hey, Ringo. All right. See ya.